Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Whisk AI step by step. So if you want to create AI-generated images using Whisk AI, this video will help you get started. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what Whisk AI is. Whisk is an AI image generation tool developed by Google. It allows users to create images using text prompts and different visual inputs. The platform uses Google's advanced AI technology to generate unique and creative results. For some time, Whisk was not widely available, but now Google has brought it back and integrated it into its latest AI tools, making it easier for users to access and use. One of the best things about Whisk is that you can create images from simple text descriptions, combine different ideas, and experiment with various styles and scenes. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now search for Whisk AI. Open the official Whisk website from the search results. Once the website opens, click on Get Started with Flow. After that, click on New Project. Now the Flow workspace will open. Go to the Tools section. Here, you will see many different AI tools available. Scroll down and click on Whisk. Once you click on it, the Whisk workspace will open. Now you can start creating images. You can directly enter a prompt and generate an image instantly. You can also add separate prompts for the subject and scene sections to get more customized results. For example, I entered a direct prompt, and Whisk generated 2 different images based on that description. You can try different prompts and experiment with various ideas to create unique AI-generated images. And that's it. Whisk AI makes image creation very simple, and with just a few prompts, you can generate impressive results in seconds. Feel free to explore different prompts, subjects, and scenes to get the best results from the tool. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.